How small businesses can use AI in 30 days. Step-by-step guide. AI is no longer a luxury for big corporations. It's a necessity for small businesses looking to stay competitive. Yet, many business owners hesitate, unsure of where to start or how AI will fit into their operations. The truth? AI doesn't have to be complicated. With a structured approach, you can leverage AI in just 30 days to save time, cut costs, and grow your business. Here's your step-by-step roadmap to AI adoption. Why AI is essential for small businesses. AI is already transforming the way businesses operate. Automating repetitive tasks. AI handles scheduling, invoicing, and customer queries, freeing up time for high-value work. Enhancing decision-making. AI-powered analytics provide real-time insights into customer trends and operational efficiency. Boosting marketing and sales. AI automates email campaigns, social media posts, and ad targeting for better results. Improving customer experience. AI chatbots provide instant responses, personalizing interactions 24/7. Your first 30 days with AI, a step-by-step plan. Week 1. Identify AI priorities and choose your first AI tool. Before jumping in, assess where AI can impact your business most. What repetitive tasks take up too much time? E.g., email responses, scheduling. Where does my business struggle with accuracy? E.g., data entry, inventory management. Which areas could benefit from smarter decision-making? E.g., pricing, marketing strategy. Once you've pinpointed your priorities, choose your first AI tool based on your most pressing need. Start with one AI tool to solve a key pain point before expanding. Week 2. Test AI on a small scale. Instead of implementing AI across multiple areas at once, take a pilot approach. Select one AI tool, e.g., an AI chatbot for customer support. Test it for 2-4 weeks and track its impact. Gather feedback from your team and customers. Decide whether to expand AI use based on results. Tips for success. Start small. Automate one repetitive task first, e.g., AI-powered email responses. Set clear goals. Define what success looks like, e.g., time saved, increased response rates. Involve your team. Provide quick training to ensure smooth AI adoption. Week 3. Automate repetitive tasks. Business owners waste hours on admin work. AI can change that. AI automation ideas. Email and communication. AI-generated email responses and follow-ups. Scheduling and appointments. AI-powered scheduling. Invoices and payments. AI-driven invoice creation and expense tracking. Customer support. AI chatbots for FAQs and lead generation. Week 4. Expand AI to marketing and sales. AI supercharges marketing by automating content creation, personalizing outreach, and optimizing ads. AI-powered marketing ideas. AI-generated content. AI writes blog posts, social media captions, and ad copy, email personalization. AI segments. Audiences and optimizes email. Timing AI-driven lead scoring. AI ranks leads based on engagement. AI-powered social media. AI schedules posts and analyses. Audience behavior. Start with AI-generated blog content and track its engagement. Avoiding common AI pitfalls. Expecting instant results. AI needs time to learn and optimize. Start small and iterate. Choosing the wrong AI tool. Pick tools that directly address your business needs. Over-automating. Keep a human touch in customer interactions. AI should assist, not replace. Best practices for AI success. Track AI's impact using key performance metrics. Gather feedback from customers and employees. Regularly review AI tools and update as needed. Scaling AI beyond 30 days. Once AI is working in one area, expand it strategically. Operations and automation, AI for performance tracking, inventory management, and workflow automation. Advanced decision-making, AI-driven insights for forecasting sales and optimizing pricing. Marketing and sales optimization, AI for customer segmentation, personalized offers, and ad targeting. Customer experience, AI-powered self-service tools and chatbot enhancements.
Tip: set quarterly AI reviews to ensure continued success and optimization.
AI isn't just for big corporations, it's a game changer for small businesses.